Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Good gear protects you from cruddy weather, which is more or less a given if you spend any amount of time outdoors. And the less cold and wet and miserable you are, the longer you can endure in the field, significantly upping your chances of bagging a duck, a deer, an elk, or whatever your quarry. This duffel's worth of surefire products, including some gear I've tested on dozens of hunts, will equip you for your next big outing. Hunting is hard. Good gear makes it exponentially less so. With a quality spotting scope, say, you can pinpoint a big bull elk bedded down on a distant hillside that you would have never seen otherwise. Or, with a solid tree stand, you can stay above a whitetail's line of sight as it approaches your food plot. Beyond these tactical advantages,
This is Carson from Gerber, and this is the Randy Newberg DTS. Working closely with Gerber, Randy's unique insight and feedback was built into each step of the product development process. The dual tool system is a capable workhorse, built for streamlined processing in your next big game hunt. Whether using the gutless or traditional open cavity method. It's got two task-specific blades for streamlined processing. A D2 tendon tool that strong arms tough tendons and preserves the life of the 440C primary blade. The tendon tool is meant to take a beating and keep on going, breaking down joints, dorsal hide, and tendons with its unique shape and aggressive serrations. The purposeful handle design is ideal for multiple grip styles as well as ambidextrous use. Retroreflective material catches your headlamp so it doesn't get left behind in the dark. It's got barrel construction and a pivot lock, which means it's easy to clean and maintain after the hunt is over. With the big game hunter in mind, the smart design of the Randy Newberg DTS is the ideal companion for your next hunt.
Says that a budget-friendly crossbow has to be made in China. Introducing the Blackhawk 360 from Wicked Ridge Crossbows. Priced at just $399.99, this is the lowest priced American-made crossbow on the market today. It's built to put meat on your table. Born and bred in the US, it's just like you. Hunts hard to get the job done and is proud to be American. Built for success in tight hunting situations, the Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360 features a 15-inch wide, 175-pound bow assembly with 11-inch WRX limbs, powered by heavy-duty machined 5S cams that elongate the power stroke and increase cam rotation to produce speeds of up to 360 feet per second with unmatched downrange accuracy. The Blackhawk 360's unique stock has been engineered to lighten the crossbow to just 6 pounds overall, making it one of the lightest crossbows on the market and very easy to maneuver in the field. Its fully integrated foregrip is backed up with elongated safety wings to help keep the shooter's hand safely below the bowstring's path during the shot, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides additional safety. The stock also features a Picatinny rail below the front of the barrel to mount additional accessories. The Blackhawk 360 features 10 points ultra crisp 3.5-pound trigger along with 10 points DFI, dry fire inhibitor, which protects the crossbow from damage if it is fired without loading an arrow. Upon easy 1-bolt assembly, the advanced design measures an easy-to-handle 35 inches long. The Blackhawk 360 has a tactical black stock and peak camo limbs. The Blackhawk 360 is pre-sighted at the factory for 20 yards, and at the price point of just $399.99, it's not just the crossbow, it also includes a package. The package includes our 3-power multi-line scope, 3 Wicked Ridge aluminum arrows and quiver.
The Lodestar, part of the Navigator series from Lacrosse. A backcountry hunting boot that's light on your feet, yet tough enough to ensure you can go the distance chasing big game. The Lodestar combines leather with a lightweight abrasion-resistant material for rugged durability. The open hook lace hardware makes getting in and out of them a breeze. And when you are laced up, its 100% waterproof yet breathable Gore-Tex lining will protect you from the elements, whether you're in the rugged backcountry of the West or the mountains of the East. Challenging terrain can take its toll on your feet. That's why the Lodestar's midsole is made with thick, lightweight EVA, which provides superior cushioning and rebound with every step. Embedded in the midsole for the ultimate support is our new X-Shank. Its X-shape provides a wider surface area to distribute weight more evenly, while adding torsional rigidity and stiffness when trudging through tough landscapes. This eliminates pressure points underfoot and spreads the load to minimize foot fatigue. That's critical, especially considering the potential weight of your packouts. Lodestar's DuraFit Heel Cup adds to the boot stability when the terrain gets uneven. Made from molded rubber, this proprietary heel cup wraps the heel and locks it in place for a secure fit. The Lodestar's HexGuard rubber toe cap adds a layer of protection against the most abrasive environments. To create the Lodestar's outsole, we partnered with the industry's best, Vibram. We use their XS Trek rubber compound for its flexibility and superior traction on wet surfaces, making it incredibly responsive on unpredictable terrain. The outsole's special design features aggressive star-shaped omnidirectional lugs, which provide 360-degree traction and grip in all conditions. Larger lugs line the outside of the foot, giving you more stability when carrying heavy loads. That's the Lodestar, part of the Navigator series from Lacrosse.
Ox is a new take on a Badlands favorite. This pack was built for one thing, hauling copious amounts of weight. By far the most distinctive feature of the Ox pack has always been its external frame. We went with a carbon fiber material to get the best of both worlds as far as lightweight and strength. Transfer that weight off your shoulders, down through that frame system and onto your hips where it should be. We built extra memory foam into the back suspension, not only in the back, but the shoulder straps and the waist belt as well. We did that especially in the pressure points where that weight is going to be sitting up against your back. We know you're going to haul lots of weight with this pack. We want it to be as comfortable as possible. As always, in our frame packs, you're going to have those load lifter straps transferring the weight from your shoulders. We have the new reverse tighten waist belt on the Carbon Ox as well. That's going to allow you to pull from the outside in instead of the inside out so that you can get more torque and tension and get that waist belt nice and tight exactly where it needs to be. The pocket layout on the Ox is super easy to use. It has a giant wide mouth opening, reverse zipper, and that's going to drop opening, just give you a big cavernous opening for the bulk of your gear. You also have a padded pocket up front here that is great for a spotting scope or anything that needs a little extra protection. On the front here you can also see we have some hidden away daisy chain. This red daisy chain is going to pop out when you need it and provide you extra lashing points on the back of the pack. You have 3 compression straps which are going to allow you to compress gear, or more importantly a rifle or bow to the back of your pack for hands-free carry. To do that you'll deploy the rifle bow boot out of the bottom, which sits in its own pocket and gives you that bottom support to your rifle or bow. You can also see this compartment down here in the bottom, which actually has a shelf on the inside to separate gear in this area. It's great for boots, anything that's dirty, something like that can actually be separated inside the Carbon Ox pack. The main feature of this pack is this can actually drop off and you can haul your meat right up against your back, get that heavy weight right up against you and get that center of gravity right next to your back. To do that you simply remove the pack from the frame, deploy the meat shelf that has a built-in batwing system, add your meat shelf, add your game bag, tighten it all up into one compressible package. Either reattach your pack to the back of that or just run with the meat and you're good to go. It's available in Badlands Approach camo and comes in our new KXO 50 fabric to shave some weight off of your pack. The Badlands Carbon Ox, an old favorite, has come back. It's ready to haul all the weight you can throw at it. As always, everything with that red bull skull is going to be covered by our unconditional lifetime warranty.
First Light to introduce a collection of overnight gear like none other previously designed, keeping you warmer, drier, and more comfortable in the backcountry than ever before. When you finally draw the coveted late season buck tag, you'll need a down bag designed for frigid winter conditions. Offered in 2 lengths and boasting a temperature rating down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, Stalker Expedition Mummy will keep you warm so you can stay in the backcountry for as long as it takes to get him in range.
Starting with top shelf fabrics, we use premium 20D nylon ripstop for a technical shell, ultra smooth 30D nylon taffeta for a comfortable interior, and a 40D nylon ripstop completes the package in a durable, waterproof, breathable footbox. Stalker is stuffed with 800 fill power hydrophobic down for an extremely high warmth to weight insulation. Premium down is treated for water resistant security and is 100% RDS certified for complete traceability through the supply chain, and compresses to a significantly smaller pack size, starting with an adjustable contoured hood and stretch construction at the knees for greater heat retention and side sleeping comfort. And a spaciously cut toaster footbox includes an extra layer of synthetic insulation to reduce cold spots. Thermal gills provide greater temperature regulation, allowing users to vent body heat without letting in cold drafts. Stalker comes in regular and long lengths, offering a 0-degree minimum temperature rating, with the regular weighing only 3 pounds. And to further increase warmth, we've added a draft collar around the face and a draft tube that folds behind our nose snag zipper to keep warm air in and cold air out. Whether you're braving a winter goat hunt or just trying to fill that general bull tag, Stalker will keep you toasty when the mercury drops.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.